Competitive culture in the workplace. Hello everyone. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of workplace cultures. Specifically, we'll be looking at what a competitive culture means in a business context. It's an essential aspect of many companies, and understanding it can help you thrive in such environments. A competitive culture is characterized by a workplace where employees are driven by competition to achieve the best results. This type of culture encourages employees to outperform their colleagues in order to gain recognition, promotions, or other rewards. It can be exhilarating for some, but stressful for others. In a competitive culture, you might notice 1. Performance metrics. The company often sets clear benchmarks or goals for employees to meet or exceed. 2. Rankings. Employees might be ranked based on their performance, and these rankings could be public. 3. Rewards and recognitions. High performers are often recognized and rewarded for their achievements. 4. Challenges and contests. There might be regular contests or challenges encouraging employees to outdo one another. 5. High pressure. There's a strong emphasis on results, and this can create pressure to consistently perform at a high level. Advantages. 1. Drive for excellence. Employees often push themselves to deliver their best work. 2. Clear objectives. With clear performance metrics, employees know exactly what's expected of them. 3. Fast growth. Companies with a competitive culture often see rapid growth due to high performance. Disadvantages. 1. Stress. Constant competition can lead to burnout and stress. 2. Teamwork challenges. Collaboration might take a backseat as everyone tries to outdo each other. 3. Risk of unethical behavior. In the race to be the best, some might resort to unethical means. If you find yourself in a competitive culture, here are some tips to thrive. 1. Stay focused on your goals. Keep your personal and professional objectives clear. 2. Collaborate. While there's competition, teamwork can still be beneficial. 3. Take breaks. Ensure you take time off to relax and avoid burnout. 4. Communicate. If you feel too much pressure, communicate with your supervisor or hour. 5. Ethics first. Always maintain high ethical standards, regardless of the pressure to perform. Understanding the dynamics of a competitive culture can help you navigate and excel in such environments. While there are challenges, there are also opportunities for growth and recognition. We hope this video sheds light on the intricate facets of competitive workplace cultures. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.